FORA.tv. The world is thinking.
So let me tell you how it was I ended up being here today. It was a circuitous route. In recent years, I have become increasingly concerned about vitriolic attacks by some members of Congress and some members of state legislatures and various private interest groups about judges and on judges. We hear a great deal about judges who are activists, godless, secular humanists trying to impose their will on the rest of us. Now, I always thought that an activist judge was one who got up in the morning and went to work. But I think these critics have something else in mind. Anyway, we've been hearing a great deal about it, and these attacks have come with various attempts to try to influence judicial opinion making. On the federal level, for instance, we've seen troubling calls by members of the United States Senate to require a judicial nominee to state how the nominee will rule on particular cases during the confirmation process. At the state level, powerful interest groups are pouring more and more money into those states that still hold partisan election of state judges. There are many states that still do that, although no other nation in the world selects its judges in that fashion. And in these election processes in those states that have them, people hope to influence the outcome of the elections and the way that the winners, the winning judges, will rule in future cases. Now, we expect to see this sort of thing in ordinary politics, of course, but our judicial system is not ordinary politics. Our judges, whether they're state or federal, have an obligation to make decisions based not on what's powerful or popular, but based on the Constitution and the laws of the United States or of the state in which the judge serves. And with partisan attacks and political pressure mounting, it's much more difficult to achieve fair and impartial judgments from the judges who are serving.